On November 30th of 2022, the world changed forever. Artificial intelligence or AI became accessible to the general public for free through a tool called ChatGPT. It went from 0 to a million users in just 5 days, making it the fastest any platform has ever gone. And guess what? It is getting more powerful by the day as more upgrades comes in. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can take advantage of ChatGPT to 10x how much you are making right now in the long term instead of being afraid of it in the short term. This video is for those who don't really know how they can generate a lot of money with ChatGPT. So if you are one of them, I am about to share with you one idea which I am using to generate millions of naira monthly. And this is using ChatGPT for course creation. Online courses continue to be a lucrative business. You can use ChatGPT to brainstorm and validate course topics. Now, if you don't know which course to create, you can use ChatGPT to help find top selling and trending course ideas. Here is the prompt you can write to get that done. So here is the prompt. Let me run it so you can see what ChatGPT will give to us. So here is the result. Sure, here are the top 10 trending topics for online courses in 2024. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. This is obvious, so I'm not really surprised. The next one is cybersecurity, which I also am not surprised with that. Then we have data science and big data analytics. We have blockchain and cryptocurrency, web development, digital marketing, health and wellness, sustainable development and green technologies, remote work and productivity, creative skills, and these are the top 10. So, what we are going to do is to pick one. So, we are going to pick one of these ideas and run with it. So, for this video, let me just go with digital marketing. And in digital marketing, I'm going to focus on social media strategy. So, this is just the beginning. You can further refine these ideas based on your expertise and audience interest. For this video, I want to focus on social media strategy. Yours may be web development or data science or cryptocurrency or health and wellness. So I am going with social media strategy or social media marketing. So now that we know the top 10 trending topics, we can also tell ChatGPT to create compelling course titles. A great title can make a huge difference in attracting students. So I'm going to write a prompt which will tell ChatGPT to generate catchy titles for a course on social media strategy. Let's just say social media marketing. So here is the prompt. ChatGPT generate catchy titles for a course on social media marketing. These titles should be designed to grab attention and clearly communicate the course value. Let me just say generate 10 catchy titles. Okay, so let's run it and see what our result is going to be. So here is the result for our new course on social media marketing. Let's go through these titles and see which one we can really use for our course. The ultimate social media playbook. Okay, I think I love number 3. Boost your brand, advanced social media tactics. I think I love number 8, number 5, and number 3. Let me pick one of them. So I will go with number 3, the ultimate social media playbook, strategies for growth. Now that we have gotten a title for our course, the next thing you need is a course outline. A well-structured outline ensures your course is comprehensive and easy to follow. So I can tell ChatGPT to create a course outline for my course. So here is the prompt. ChatGPT, create a detailed course outline for my course title, The Ultimate Social Media Playbook, Strategies for Growth. So with this, ChatGPT is going to come up with a very detailed course outline for this course title. Let's run it and see the outcome. Alright, so here is our course outline. Module 1, this is Introduction to Social Media Marketing. And these are the lessons inside. Then Module 2, Crafting a Social Media Strategy. You can see, so we have our outline ready and we can start building our course. With our outline ready, you can now write your course script, and ChatGPT can draft script for each module. Yes, it can do that. So it's very easy. All you need to do is to write the next prompt. As you can see, we are about to build a course just in one day. but you can't build a complete course in one day. I'm just showing you that it is very easy to come up with course title, with course outline, then with a course script. Then the next day you can record, edit, and you start uploading on whatsoever platform that you want. So let's give ChatGPT the prompt that it will use to create our course script for us. So here is the prompt. I'm telling ChatGPT, acting as a course creator with more than 10 years of experience, prepare a well-detailed course lecture for this topic, Introduction to Social Media Marketing. That is our first topic here, Module 1, Introduction to Social Media Marketing. Then I said subtopics to cover are. So what I did was copy these subtopics because this is lesson 1, which you are going to cover as your first lesson in that particular module. So I copied these ones, then I put them as subtopic. So let's go down. Then I added again, make it well detailed and feed with real life examples to illustrate each point. My target audience is business owners who want to learn how to leverage ChatGPT for their business. So this is the kind of prompt that you write if you want ChatGPT to come up with a good script for whatsoever lecture that you want to create. This is the kind of script you write. All you need to do is to give ChatGPT the topic, which is what I did here, acting as a course creator with more than 10 years of experience. Then subtopics to cover, you just list them here. These are the subtopic I want them to cover. Then always include this. This is what ChatGPT is going to look to make your result or the outcome very dynamic. If you don't include these two prompts here, you will just get generic results. But these two statements that are included into this prompt makes it different, makes it dynamic for you in particular. All right, so let me run it so we can see the outcome. Okay, so our script is ready. You can see it, lecture, introduction to social media marketing. Welcome. As business owners, understanding the landscape of social media marketing is essential for leveraging tools like ChatGPT to maximize your business potential. In this lecture, we will explore the history and evolution of social media, provide an overview of key platforms, and discuss current trends and future predictions. Let's dive in. Then you go to the next slide, you just begin. The internet birds, stuff like that. So you can see that your script is ready. All you just need to do is to create a slide so that as you are talking, your students are seeing the slide. So for this one, you can prepare a slide using either PowerPoint or using a particular website that I have discussed before in one of my videos. Let me show you. So this is an example of what you will get when you use this particular website, Gamma.App. I wasn't the one who designed this. If you can see right now, all I did was pour my course script into the software and it came up with this presentation. I did not design this. I did not choose this. It did the design by itself. You can see all this. I didn't do this. All I did was just put my script there, my course script, and the AI used the script to come up with images and design for my course. And so all you need to do is just to export it to PowerPoint and you just run your presentation. I did not design any of this. I wasn't the one who did this. It was this website that did everything. You can see them here. See, conclusion. You can see what the website did. And it happens within minutes. Yes, within a minute, you already have everything prepared. All you need to do is to copy your script and paste it on this website. The AI will read the script and come up with a slide for your course. I have done a complete video on how to use this particular website, Gamma.App. I'll be dropping the link in the description below, so you can click the link and watch the video so you can use it to come up with presentation for your own course script. So this is the full script for this particular lesson 1. You can see everything is here. All you need to do is just to edit it to your own taste and start reading it while your students are viewing your slide. So they won't even know you are reading it. You just read as if you are talking. You can see what ChatGPT gave us here. Example, Windy is known for its witty and engaging Twitter presence, often responding humorously to customer tweets, which increases brand visibility and engagement. Remember, I told ChatGPT to give me examples to illustrate more by giving me examples. You can see for each point it gives, it normally includes examples. Fashion brand H&M. This one, examples for Facebook. Nike uses Facebook to launch global campaigns such as the Just Do It series. You can see So these are examples you can also include into your lectures to make it more lively and engaging. Now that our course is ready, let's now create a landing page to promote the course. A well-designed landing page is crucial for conversion. So I'm going to write a prompt also to ChatGPT to come up with a well, compelling, and enticing landing page for my course. So here is the landing page prompt. Act as a landing page copywriter with more than 10 years of experience in writing landing page copies. Write a landing page copy for my course, The Ultimate Social Media Playbook Strategies for Growth. Make it very enticing, attention grabbing, and SEO friendly. Then I'm giving ChatGPT keywords to focus on in the script. I want these keywords to be mentioned in the landing page copy: social media marketing, social media growth, Facebook ads. You can include as much as you want to be included into the landing page copy. I know some of you may be asking, why am I always using acting as a or act as a landing page copywriter? In prompt engineering, it is called a role. You are giving ChatGPT a role. If I just begin this, write a landing page copy for my course and send this prompt, the result I will get will not be the same as the one I will get when I include acting as a landing page copywriter. And this AI use your prompt to work on your result. So let's run this and see what the result is going to be. So here is our landing page copy: The Ultimate Social Media Playbook Strategies for Growth. Unlock the secret to explosive social media growth. Are you a business owner struggling to make your mark in the crowded world of social media? Do you want to transform your online presence and drive unpredicted growth? Look no further. So you can see that we have been able to finish everything about our course. The only thing left for this course right now is just the recording and editing. You can see we are done with everything, almost everything. So we are just 90% done. The only thing left right now is just the recording part. So with AI or with ChatGPT, you can create as many courses as you want, whether you are an expert in that particular topic or not. Why choose this course? Then you list the reasons. If you go down, what you will learn. ChatGPT is not giving us back the course outline inside the landing page so that people who are reading it will know what they are going to learn in the course. Who should enroll? Business owners, marketers, entrepreneurs. You can see all those things. So if you are someone reading it and you see yourself being mentioned here, you are a business owner or you are a marketer or you are an entrepreneur, you know that this course is for you. And know this, you are not just to use everything ChatGPT gives to you. No, you are to edit it to your own taste because, like they will always say, yeah, ChatGPT can make mistakes. Check important info. So normally I use ChatGPT to get ideas, then I work on it to develop the idea to become what I really want. ChatGPT give you the idea, you just work on that idea to really get what you need, which is the taste that you want the copy to be. Are you ready to start your journey to becoming a millionaire? I am a monthly millionaire in Naira today because I leverage ChatGPT capability to create online courses. And not just me, I have shown others the method I am using to generate passive income for them monthly. Let me show you testimonials from some of my students so you can see for yourself. This is one of my students who said, "Thank you, sir. I made $143 last month." This was his second month of being a course creator on Udemy. And this one was posted in my private community. He said $26.43 for the month of March. Not bad for a start, and only one course for that matter. I love the fact that most earnings came from organic search. I know behind the scenes some people are doing three figures already. This is not a show off, but rather to encourage those who are still on the fence to start immediately, like our boss, that is me there. We always say it is a numbers game. This is another screenshot from also one of my students. He said, just this morning, look at what he has generated for the month of March, $109. Then look at another one here again. I just checked my dashboard. I bless God for this. Road to 1K days. Thanks, Mr. Joseph. You can see the screenshot there. He's so happy for his first sales. And here's another one. Barely 10 days I submitted my first course, got the first sales. You can see just 10 days of submitting his first course. No special techniques used other than all that was taught in the course by Joseph Okon, which is me there. So this is my paid community. And this one just sent me a message telling me I just did $50 this month. And this was not just the end of the month. I think we're in the middle of the month when he sent me this message that he just did $50 for the month. People are always happy when they have not achieved something before, and it is their first time to achieve such mark. So that is why you can see this money may be small, but to them it is their first time and it is something huge. It makes a difference for them because they know that if I can make $1, I can make $100, and I can make $1,000. It's just a matter of consistency and time. And here's another one, $102.33. These are people who are really making money as a course creator on Udemy. They were beginners just like you, and they took the opportunity, joined my mentorship program, and today they are earning in dollars. I know with time, I will soon get someone who will come and tell me, "Hello, sir, I just hit my first $500. Hello, sir, I just hit my first $1,000. Yes, I know it will come to that. Right now, the community is growing. I'm getting a lot of people joining right now, and I'm updating the course as people are asking questions. These are what you're going to learn in the course and more. These are not just everything, these are just the few ones I was able to package in this slide. And note this, you don't need to have full knowledge in most of the courses you can create. All you just need is a little knowledge and a passion to teach that particular title. ChatGPT can fill up the remaining space. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments how you plan to use ChatGPT. And also, go check out the video displaying right now on the screen to see how ChatGPT helped one of my students become a six-figure earner. Go check out the video right now.